It's the KSH family. That's Sean.
That's Key.
And today we'll be doing a seafood mukbang and a Q&A all in one.
Yay.
Seafood mukbang and get to know the Holdens. So let's get into the Q's and the A's.
All right, first question that we have is, how did we meet?
Tag.com.
Tag.com. You can actually find somebody online. All right, so I love you guys. I want to say thank you guys for subscribing, but I got to get into the good eats because it's just so good.
Get into them with the onion sauce.
The next question was, what attracted us to each other?
Our personalities. We're very compatible. You know, we think alike, we act alike. Some people even think we're sisters. I mean, I know we can go for sisters, but that's my best friend.
When we with somebody for a very long time, they say we start looking alike.
Which is true. Because we really do look alike, as I can see.
We sound alike too. So if we call people, they think it's whoever they call, and it don't even be the case. But what's the next question we got? Oh, well, what attracted me to her was her smile and her personality. Just in case I tried to skip that question. Sorry, guys.
Next question.
All right, so where do we see each other in 10 years? Dang, 10 years. Where do you see yourself?
I see myself bossed up, owning my own house, at least two cars. I mean, 2 cars. And, you know, at least 2 children, 1 apiece. No receipts, you know.
And for me, in 10 years, I feel like I should have my own business by then. We should have at least 2 kids. And my own house, you know, cars, of course. And just living our best life. I'm sorry, guys. Made with love.
This is so good. This is so good. Always. Always.
Okay. Next question. Excuse me, guys. What was your first impression of each other when we first met?
My first impression was, oh my gosh, she look good. Let me hit her up. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys.
She slid in my DMs, guys. The crazy thing is, she slid in my DMs. She backed off, and then I finished where she started. And then we was playing tag back and forth. But look at us now, 7 years later. I'm getting it everywhere.
I kind of like juiced my egg up and like the onion sauce. Oh my god, it's so good. Get into them, guys. This food really be good. My wife has a passion for cooking. She really does.
So my first impression of her was she even cuter in person. Because, you know, some people be lying on the internet.
Yeah, she definitely
thought I was going to get catfished.
No, I didn't catfish her, guys.
Yeah, she real. She real.
And she's definitely real. Realer than real.
Okay. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my god. So messy. But it's so good. This how you become big. Eating good eats.
Yeah, right.
So, next question was, what is your secret to making marriage work for a lifetime?
Well, my secret to making marriage work for a lifetime is good communication. You know, always being there for each other, caring, loving one another, and, you know, always keeping that open, you know, type of relationship. Not saying an open relationship, but a relationship where you can communicate, a relationship where as though that your partner shouldn't feel like they can't speak to you on certain things. Just always keep that relationship open where your partner knows that you're there, got each other's back. And, with us, we go half on everything, and we always help each other out no matter what the circumstances are. For the last 7 years, we've been down for one another, and that's how it's going to continue to be.
All right, so my answer to that question would be to always communicate no matter the circumstance. You try not to go to bed, mad at each other, because at the end of the day, that energy, when you're in the bed, you can feel that. You can sense it, and it's tension, and you don't want that. Another thing is always be honest. You understand? Even if it's going to hurt your mate, be honest. Because at the end of the day, I'd rather you be upfront with it than to have somebody tell me, or whatever the case may be. It's better to hear it from you. Even if I don't like it, let me get the choice to decide whether or not, how I feel and what I want to do. How long have we been together?
Well, this year, it makes 7 years.
7 years. She slid in my DMs in December. And we've been rocking ever since.
The summer 2013.
You did?
ST13 on that, okay?
So the next question was, how long have we been married? So, funny story, guys. She didn't know that I was going to propose to her. She kind of, sort of knew, but was acting like she didn't know.
I didn't know.
She said she didn't know, guys, but I swear, she was like, what, you about to propose to me or something? What you did? I don't know. Maybe she was just...
Because they was asking me. My sister and her girlfriend had asked me that.
So it was just crazy. I'm like, yo, what's she on to me? So I decided to propose to her. We moved into our first apartment together. In my head, I'm like, we're going to move into our first apartment together. I don't want her to be my girlfriend. I want her to be my wife. I'm older. So that was just my way of thinking. So a new house together, starting a new journey together. And that was in April. Dang, I'm forgetting the dang date.
April 9th, 2016.
Yeah.
I'm hip to the dates of everything.
I normally am hip to the dates, but I've been working all day. So I'm a little tired. So the numbers it's a lot of numbers to be thinking about, okay? Don't judge me, guys. Team Sean all the way.
Team T all the way.
Sean.
He.
Don't worry. Team Sean gonna be in all the comments, alright? Don't hate.
I'm not hating. You hating.
Not at all, not at all. But yeah. And we got married on
April 8th.
April. August.
Damn, you got me thinking about April already again. August 8th, 2018. Sorry, guys.
We're a little tired. Don't judge us,
Yeah, we did work all day today.
And we come with the fire to give you the video, you feel me?
And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it is like 2 o'clock in the morning.
You ain't gotta tell my secret. Don't tell my secret. Don't tell my secret.
I knew she was gonna say that. But
you ain't know nothing.
Yes, I did.
Shh. Yo, but we got some shrimps. We got some crawfish. They look a little scary, but I swear they good. You know what I mean?
We got mussels. We got eggs.
We got eggs. You feel me?
We got crab legs.
We got it.
We got the onion sauce going on. Juice everything up. Make you make you slap your mama. Fuck around, juice like mine. Thank you for watching the KSH family. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We will be dropping our Instagram @ names down below.